Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable automatic updates in the Windows Store or Microsoft Store. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Microsoft Store. Best match should come back on Microsoft Store here. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the store here, right near the top. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Settings. Where it says Update Apps Automatically, go ahead and toggle this to the off position, and that is about it. And you just close out of here, and it shouldn't be updating anymore. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.